Can you see that there are lots of mushrooms on this fallen wood? I don't know whether those mushrooms can be eaten because I've heard that some mushrooms can be poisonous. But I don't know whether this kind of mushroom is poisonous or not. I'm now picking them up and then to show someone, let him check whether this is poisonous. Just a fallen wood in the park, you can see that. Yeah, just any wood by the side of the lake, and in the park you can see a fallen wood with lots of mushrooms growing here. So over there is the lake. When I stand up, you can see that there is water, there is the lake, yes, and then there is the park. You see, no people. You can see just only 1 or 2 cars far away. The houses, I think, not for living, maybe for some public management. You see, a car is coming. This is a good part. Lots of table and chairs for you to sit down. 好靚嘅公園，好大嘅公園，好清靜。而家係啱啱初冬嘅時候，有陽光出，好暖，同埋今日都係比較暖。我出嚟嘅時候係攝氏11度，咁而家應該升咗13到15度啦。咁樣就好舒服。咁周圍有河流。我諗如果你夠膽嘅話呢，啲年青嘅人呢應該就會呢度可以好容易。我而家企住，呢度好容易行到落去，跟住你可以踩上棵樹度。我估你爬過對面都得，因為嗰棵樹打橫咁放咗喺度呢，都好安全就算跌落去都好淺水咁呢應該都呢一棵又更加啦真係好安全咁上面就係行山嘅路徑。我正話就行嗰條路徑過嚟嘅，咁行到盡頭呢，咁就繞過嗰度呢，就行過嚟呢一邊。咁而家呢，我就喺度呢，就係收集緊啲 mushroom 我唔知啲 mushroom 食唔食得，有冇毒。咁呢聽講過話有啲 mushroom 有毒嘅，咁呢我而家收集翻去呢，就俾人哋鑑證下，睇下啲 mushroom 呢食唔食得嘅。咁呢一棵呢，喺正路邊喎，喺正個公園河邊嗰度。仲要咧，成棵咧咁大棵都生滿晒mushroom喎，咁呢棵咧就最好摘啦，好摘翻去俾人哋研究下，睇下食唔食得先。靈芝都係菌類嚟嘅喎。